Hey guys, I thought I'd show you how tall these knobbies are on the Chupacabra. Let's see if I can angle this just right here. So, what I could tell earlier was that these knobs are about 4 millimeters tall. I don't know if you can see that here, but they do look very short in the video here. I can tell you that they are a little bit taller than they probably look, but they aren't super substantial. Still pretty short and very widely spaced out. Seems like a pretty good general tread pattern from what I've seen so far, just in the testing. Had very minimal side slip. Those side knobs tend to do a pretty good job on everything except for rocks that are almost fist-sized. Fist-sized cobbles, it tends to slide on, but I've heard that that's kind of the case for most of the 29 plus tires. They just tend to slide on those, kind of like ball bearings. If you've ever had real small cobbles over hard pack with regular 2.2 to 2.4 tires. That's kind of how the bigger fist-sized cobbles are for the 29 plus tires from what I've seen so far. Everything else, it grips way better than regular 29er tire. But hopefully you guys can see the detail here with these knobs and how tall they actually are from this profile view. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that gave you some indication of how tall these knobs are.